Today, I'm introducing you to WAN 2.1, a powerful online platform that allows you to generate text to video and image to video with ease. This AI model is among the most advanced available online today, and the best part? You can earn free credits every single day by completing simple tasks. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about this incredible tool and compare it with other AI video generators to see which one delivers the best results. No sponsorships, no promotions, just a real side-by-side comparison. Don't miss out on free credits. The depth and precision in cutting this tomato slice are absolutely insane. I've never seen an AI tool generate such intricate details before. The high cinematic effects and graphical scenes make it feel like something straight out of Harry Potter or a big-budget movie. And just listen to the sound effects. They're so realistic, adding another layer of immersion. But that's not all. This tool offers a wide variety of video styles, allowing you to create almost anything you can imagine. Click the login button, and you can continue using your Google or GitHub account. Once logged in, you'll instantly receive 50 free welcome credits. To get even more, go to the credits menu and click the check-in button. This will give you an extra 50 free credits. You can do this every single day to keep earning more. But that's not all. You can earn 5 free credits for every like or dislike you give on AI-generated creations. And if you publish your own creation and it gets accepted, you'll receive 20 free credits, up to 2 times per day. To use the WAN 2.1 text-to-video model, click the AI Video menu and select the WAN AI text-to-video model from the list. For the best quality results, go with the 2.1 Plus version. Though it takes a little longer to process, the output is totally worth it. Now, in the prompt bar, describe the video you want to generate. I highly recommend using the prompt enhancer by clicking the Enhanced Prompt button, whether you created it in ChatGPT, DeepSeek. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video. Here, I'm selecting a landscape format. For more creative and expressive outputs, turn on Inspiration mode. But remember, if you want your video to stay as close as possible to your original prompt, keep this option off. Now, enable sound effects to add realistic audio to your video or generate background music. If you prefer a silent video, simply turn this off. Once you're ready, click Generate Video to start the process. Each video costs 10 credits, and as you can see, the generation speed is impressively fast. Way quicker than many other AI tools out there. Here are some AI videos generated using the WAN 2.1 AI text-to-video model. As you can see, the visuals are incredibly lifelike, featuring ultra-high quality that outperforms all AI tools currently available on the market. What makes it even better? This tool is completely free to use and extremely user-friendly. You don't need any technical knowledge to get started. On top of that, the motion and animation are exceptionally smooth. That's something many AI generators struggle to deliver. It's truly a game changer for anyone looking to create stunning AI-generated content quickly and effortlessly. Let's generate videos using the image-to-video model. To use the WAN 2.1 image-to-video model, now, you can upload 2 reference images. This step is optional, but you can also describe the video you want to generate in the prompt bar. Then, adjust all other settings just as explained in Part 2. Finally, click the Generate Video button to start creating your AI video. It will cost you just 10 credits. Here are some AI videos generated using the WAN AI image-to-video model. As you can see, the videos created from images look impressively realistic, delivering ultra-high quality visuals that surpass what most AI models can currently achieve. But what really stands out is how smoothly it handles movement and visual flow. The results feel polished and cinematic, unlike many AI tools that still struggle with motion realism. If you're looking to transform ordinary images into engaging, high-quality video content, now, let's try the WAN 2.1 AI text-to-image model. Click the AI Images menu and select the WAN AI model you want to use from the list. Next, describe the image you want to generate in the prompt bar. For better results, I recommend using the prompt enhancer by clicking the Enhanced Prompt button. If the enhanced prompt matches what you want, click Use It, or enter your own custom prompt. You can also set a style palette if you want. Currently, there are 4 style palettes available. Adjust other settings as needed, then click the Generate Image button to start creating your AI image. It will cost you just 2 credits. Here are some AI images generated using the WAN 2.1 AI text-to-image model. The text-to-image feature is simply mind-blowing. For just 2 credits, you get 4 high-quality images every single time. The level of detail, realism, and creative output this free tool delivers is absolutely insane. I'm genuinely amazed, but what about you? Let me know in the comments. Which image do you think looks the most realistic? Personally, I'm leaning toward this selfie cat chilling in the pool. Just look at it. Now, let's dive deeper into the powerful text-to-video model. WAN 2.1 gives you access to 3 different models. If you ever notice longer generation times, you can easily switch to the text-to-video turbo model. This option generates videos much faster, but with a slight trade-off in quality. On the other hand, the text-to-video 2.0 model provides a more stable version, delivering solid quality, though it takes the longest to process. So, for me, the Plus model is the best option. It balances quality and speed perfectly. These videos were generated using the exact same prompt, without any regeneration. Now, tell me, which model do you think performed the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In my opinion, you shouldn't waste your time or credits on the text-to-video 2.0 model. The quality, realism, and motion are noticeably better in the newer Turbo and Plus models. In fact, in some cases, the Turbo model even outperforms the Plus model. And the best part? The Turbo model costs only 5 credits per generation and consistently delivers results in under 5 minutes. No matter how busy the WAN 2.1 servers are. But at the end of the day, the Plus model is the clear winner. It offers the highest resolution, the smoothest motion, the richest textures, and the best overall quality. Now, from my experience, AI models struggle the most when generating scenes with multiple people in motion. There are often glitches, and the animations don't always look natural. But WAN 2.1 delivers something most AI generators don't. Don't get me wrong, it's not flawless, but it holds its ground against paid tools effortlessly. So, my advice? Find a niche or concept that AI handles well and kickstart your creator journey today. It's never been easier, especially with an abundance of free AI-generated content at your fingertips. Just imagine the hassle before AI tools like these. You had to film all your scenes yourself, spend countless hours searching for generic footage, and constantly stress over copyright claims and limitations. It was time-consuming, expensive, and frustrating. But now, with powerful AI tools, all of that is in the past. You can create stunning, high-quality visuals in just a few clicks, completely free and copyright-free. So take advantage of this new wave of AI technology. Stay creative, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how fast success can come your way. Thanks for watching this in-depth WAN 2.1 tutorial and comparison. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my upcoming AI tool reviews. Also, check out my AI avatar tutorial to enhance your content creation journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How does WAN 2.1 compare to other AI tools you've tried? Drop your opinion in the comments. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.